Even with Odoo, sales reps face hours logging calls, chasing missed leads, and losing context on every customer interaction because they rely on a separate phone system. But with KrispCall, your team can integrate it directly into Odoo CRM and Contacts, making sure call activities on the phone are already synced to your Odoo account on the go. Not just that, dialing customers and sending them messages becomes instant, right from the Odoo dashboard. Sounds like something you've always wanted in your Odoo CRM? Let's set it up in minutes. Simply log in to your KrispCall account and go to Settings. Navigate to Integrations and search for Odoo. Click on Connect, and KrispCall will prompt for API key details. Now go to your Odoo accounts and click your profile in the top corner. From Preferences here, get your API code, and from My Databases, get your database name. Enter the details in KrispCall with your email and click on Connect Now. Great, your Odoo CRM and Contacts are integrated successfully. Once connected, start by customizing your sync preferences. Use general settings to configure how your contacts and call logs sync. Then, in Workflow Settings, choose your preferences for logging call activities in detail. Next, under Connected Numbers, assign one or all KrispCall numbers to use within Odoo CRM for calling and SMS. With that ready, start creating contacts in KrispCall one by one, or import them using a CSV. It instantly syncs to your Odoo contacts. Then head to your Odoo accounts and you are ready to reach out to them without leaving the CRM. But before that, install the KrispCall dialer extension on your browser, then open your customer profile, click the KrispCall icon beside the number, and select the call option. There you go. Talk to your customers, and during the call, note the details and sync them directly in your Odoo CRM in each customer's activity separately. Along with it, every call log, recording, and SMS also gets synced, and responding to SMS or sending text follow-ups also becomes instant. After clicking the KrispCall icon beside the numbers, just choose the SMS option, type your message in the dialer, and hit send. There you go. SMS is also sent without leaving Odoo. Missed a call? With voicemail activated in KrispCall, the recording links instantly sync to Odoo for you to listen to and make an immediate response. Just no need to keep switching between apps. With KrispCall integrated into Odoo CRM, your team gets a smarter way to manage conversations and keep the pipeline moving without the busy work. Try it today at app.krispcall.com and experience effortless customer management inside Odoo.